Hi, Jay Escobar here, escobarj.com. And this video is the second video to intermittent fasting for beginners, the most important tips. And today, well actually first, before we talk about today, if you have not seen the first video, go ahead and check out the description below, and I'll go ahead and post a link right here so you can check out the first video. Now, today, for the good stuff, today we're going to talk about having discipline with your intermittent fasting. It can be difficult at first when you're first starting out because your body hasn't gone through intermittent fasting. You haven't done a fast in who knows how long. And it's probably one of the hardest parts of it is thinking about food all the time and then not being able to eat it because you're fasting. So the easiest thing you can do to make it easy on yourself is to eat in a certain period of window. Eat in a fasting window. And a good one that I recommend is 7 p.m. to 11 a.m. Why? Because you're going to be sleeping during that time. And that's going to make things easy for you, especially starting out with your intermittent fasting. You want things to be as easy as possible. So by making it from 7 to 11 in the morning, so 7 p.m. and then 11 in the morning, just makes things super easy for you because you're going to be sleeping most of the time. And then the other part of it is just being consistent, and doing it at least every other day is a huge key to it, is fasting every other day. And that will really help you to kind of get into a groove of things and help you see things and stay disciplined and start seeing results quickly. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to get coaching or you'd like to set up a personalized nutrition regimen just specifically for you, go to my website and book a coaching session. And other than that, you can donate any amount of money you feel is worth the value of the information in this video or any of the other videos. And last but not least, share this with any of your family or friends on any social media. And other than that, I hope you're always learning, always growing, and always pushing forward. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.